Understanding costume storage, an English language lesson. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, costume storage. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and is a great example of how English combines words to create new concepts. So, let's dive in and discover what costume storage is all about. Costume storage consists of two words, costume and storage. Let's break these down. Costume. A costume is a set of clothes worn by someone to look like something or someone else, often for a party, a play, or a cultural event. Storage. Storage refers to a space or a method used to keep things safe and organized when they are not being used. When we combine these words, costume storage refers to a place or method where costumes are kept safe and organized. To understand costume storage better, let's look at some examples. 1. Theater wardrobes. In theaters, there are often large closets or rooms dedicated to storing costumes for plays and performances. 2. Home storage solutions. People might have special boxes or closets at home for their Halloween costumes or other dress-up clothes. 3. Museums and cultural centers. They often have costume storage areas to preserve traditional or historical clothing. Here are a few sentences that show how costume storage can be used. The costume storage at the theater is filled with outfits from different eras. After the party, she put her fairy costume back in the costume storage. Managing costume storage can be challenging for large productions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, costume storage. Remember, it's not just about the words but the context in which they are used. I hope this video has been informative and fun. Keep practicing, and you'll master the nuances of English in no time. See you in the next lesson.